Hello, in today's video I want to talk about the Chrome extension for Taskade and how you install it. It's actually really easy. There are two options you have here. You can log into Taskade, and always in the bottom left hand side here at the bottom it says download apps, and then if you just click on the one that looks like the Google icon, the Chrome icon I should say, and then it will open up in the Chrome store like this, the web store, and then you just go add to Chrome, and as you can see, this is a very good extension. It's got like 4 and a bit stars. Anyway, we're going to add to Chrome, add extension, and then you can basically click on this thing up here that looks like a puzzle piece, and then you can have a look at all your extensions, and you can see that I've got the Taskade one here. So if you want to see that all of the time in the bar here at the top, you just need to click on the pin, and if you ever need to remove it or anything, you can just use these three dots to manage it. So now that I've clicked on this pin, you can see that it's always available here in the toolbar in the top right. So it says here, welcome, let's personalize your experience. So in a new tab, would you like to open the default tab, or would you like to open Taskade? So if you do this, you go to continue, then every time you open a new tab, it will open Taskade, you see. But if you don't really like this, you can just change it back if you don't really like that, and then it will be back to just normal stuff. So the other way is, obviously, you could just go directly into the Google Chrome web store without logging into Taskade. If you want to do that, you just need to go in Chrome to the right hand side, the top right hand side where the 3 dots are. You click on that, you go to more tools, you go to extensions, then you go over here on this hamburger menu on the left. Right at the very bottom it says open Chrome web store. Then you search here for Taskade, and then it's the exact same thing again. Here it is. So there you go. That's how you install the Google Chrome extension for Taskade. If you have any specific questions, you can leave it in the comments section below. And if you're interested in trying out Taskade, I will leave my link in the description. Thank you for watching.